Welcome to the new lecture of Linux administration. Today in this lecture we'll discuss about the general basic commands of the Linux operating system. Basic commands, or you can say general commands. So as you know, it is the operating system. It is similar to the Unix OS. Only the difference is between this is the GUI based operating system. So basic commands are first the command is that is ls. This command is used to list all the files in the current working directory. Whatever file is open on your prompt, it will show all the files on your command prompt. You can use this command by using the command prompt type ls. Okay, all the information related to the files will appear in front of you. Okay. Second command is that is rm. This command is used to remove the file from the directory. If you want to delete some file from the directory, the current working directory, then you can use the rm and file name. Okay, so you have to specify the name of the file. Okay, then you can remove the file. Next general command is that is rmdir. That means remove directory. So but it should not contain any file, then only we can remove the directory. Before deleting any directory, you have to delete the file by the previous command, that is rm file name. So after deleting the file, you can use this directory command, this $rmdir directory name. Okay, then you can delete the directory. Next is cat command. So there are two or three purposes of the cat command. By the cat command, you can display the content of the file. By the cat command, you can create the file. By the cat command, you can display the content of two other files. So this first example you can view at the dollar prompt, this cat file name that is used to write the content into the file. If you want to write some content into the file, then you can use this cat and this sign, this angular bracket sign. Okay, so by this you can write the content into the file. Next, that is cat file, that is used to display the content of the file directly. If you write the cat command, then a space followed by this file name, then you can display the content of the file. Okay, you can view the content. Next is cd command. So cd command, this command is used to change the current working directory. If you want to change the current working directory, you can use the command cd. And if you want to just go to the just previous level, you can use the cd dot dot. So you can go on the previous directory or upper level of the in the hierarchical manner, upper level of the directory. Next is mv command. So this command is also called rename command. So it is used to move the content from the source file to the destination file. So for that we have require two files. So one is source file, second is destination file. So if you want to transfer the data from one file to the another file, then we can use this mv command from source to destination. You can view this $mv, the source file and destination file. From this file to this file, content will be copied. No, sorry, transfer. Next is who command. So by the who command, you can display the currently logged on. Okay, so display the users currently logged on. How many users are logged on? So you can view all the users. Next is who am I. So this command is used to display the information about the user. If you want to know information about the user, you can type directly who am I. As you know, it is a command, this who am I, you can view. So you have to remember that this is a case sensitive language. So according to that, you have to remember all the commands properly. Otherwise, it will give an error. Okay, next is mkdir. So this command is used to create a new directory. For creating a new directory, you can use the command this mkdir and directory name. This is without a space. Okay, this without a space mkdir and directory name. So by this you can create a directory name. Same as you create a folder in the Windows, same way you can create a folder. You can say folder or a directory in the Linux. Next is cp. This command is used to copy the content of source file to destination file. One command we have used previously, that is for the transfer the content from one file to another file, that is by the mv command, and this command is used to copy the content from one file to another file. Okay, so by this command you can use the cp source file destination file. Clear? Next is wall command. So this command is used to send message to every user who are currently logged on. Okay, if you want to send a message of good morning and good afternoon to every logged on users, so you can use this command, this dollar, this command prompt wall, then you can write the message. Whatever one message you want to write, you can write, then it will flash on every user's screen. Okay. Next command is that is BC. BC command is used for calculator. So by this calculator will open, you can use. Next is grep command. It is an important command. By this command, you can search a word or a character or a sentence in a file. So it is useful as search function is there in all the files, all the directories, all the explorers. So search is important. So by this grep command, this command is used to search a word, character or sentence in a file. For that we can use $grep word file name. Okay, whatever word you want to search, you have to specify after the grep, and then on in which file you want to search that particular phrase, word or sentence. Okay. Next is wc. So this command is used to count the number of character in a file. How many characters in a file you can count. In the Windows in the Windows Microsoft of Word, you can view in the below status bar number of words are there, number of pages are there. So in the Linux system you can count by the wc command. Wc option then file name. Count the number of characters in a file. So next is pwd. This is present working directory. If you want to know, okay, where on in which directory I am working, so you can view by this command. It display the current working directory, this pwd. Just type pwd, it will give the information, okay, in which directory you are. It is showing the complete path. Next is man command. So this command is used to show the information about any command, okay, like help. Okay ना, जैसे help आपका होता है, same way you can use man, and you can type the command like pwd, like wc dir mkdir. So related to the information of that command will be. So next is more. This shows the contents of a text file. Also you might be able to find less and cat which are similar to command. Okay, so more, so it will show contents of text file. Okay. Next is command help. So one more command to help of any command you can use like that. This command double hyphen then help. So show the every option for given commands. So different options will be there and shows the different complete information about that particular command. Chmod. These commands we will further study in the next uh, chapters. the detail. So this is ch mode is the change mode. Okay, so command is used to change the file access permission. There are different type of permissions are there. We will study in detail. So for that, change the file access permission, we can use chmod command. Read to write, read, write, and execute permissions. Okay. Next is clear. This command is used to clear the terminals. ओके जैसे CLS कमांड हम यूज करते हैं C वगैरह में same way we can use the to clear the console by the clear command. And next is W. So this command is used to print the current system users. Current system users. How many users are currently? Print the current system users. कितने systems हमारे users आपके current में है तो this will print. Next is telnet. You know the telnet. By the telnet you can remote login to the another system and a host. So telnet allows you to log in remotely from a remote computer to a host. कोई भी आपको remote system को आपको access करना है तो we can use the telnet command or telnet facility. Next is touch command. So this command is used to create file. That file is by default text. कोई आपको text file create करनी है then you can use the touch command. So different types of files are there. So by the touch command you can create a file. Next is VI. So command are used to create the file and edit by an existing file. VI file name. So for the cell programming we use the VI editor. Like Notepad, we can write the scripts for the cell Linux. We can write the programs and save the file, and later on we can execute that particular files. So for that we use this VI editor, VI file name. Create the file and edit any existing file. We can use VI and file name. Next is date command. So this command are used to display the system date and time. Okay, simple. Date command. CAL command. This command is used for calendar. If you want to display the calendar, you can use the simple on command prompt CAL. If config, this command are used to display the system IP address. If you want to know the IP address of your system, then you can use this if config command. Next is host name. So this command are display the host name. So these are the reference books: Linux Administration, Beginner's Guide, Unix and shell programming, and Linux in a nutshell. Okay. For further query, you can contact me on my mail ID. This is sudeep.yadav@galgotiasuniversity.edu. Thank you.